Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is February the 21st on a Tuesday. And let's take a look at the market. The market's gapping down this morning into kind of no man's land. We're getting below this kind of channel right here, in between two major movement averages. There, you got your 10 and 20 on top. You got your 50 and 200 below. So really a no man's land here. So be careful. You might want to watch the number of positions you take over the next few days. But looking at the radar today, we do have a couple of earnings plays coming out. This SNN had earnings this morning, gapping up out of a range here above uh, this, or really close. Yeah, it looks like it is above this high going back. So watch this SNN. Manufacturing's been doing very well lately. Okay, you got Clorox. Not sure exactly. It looks like it may be trading down this morning, but nice little pattern there in Clorox, another manufacturing company. Uh, PSTX, keep an eye on this one. This is one, it is actually the trade of the week we found on uh, one of our scans. Very nice pullback to the 50 period moving average after a breakout a couple of weeks ago. A lot of pain for those who are holding, may have coughed it up, and could be seeing a bar reversal this morning in this PSTX. Let's see. TXT, there, nice looking chart there in TXT. Once again, another manufacturing company. So uh, watch that manufacturing sector. It has been holding up well lately. These stocks usually pay a dividend, uh, usually have a decent PE ratio. So see if there's anything else out there. That's going to be about it for today. Good luck. Trade well. Bye bye.